To export your model for 3D printing, you're going to want to hide everything that you don't want to export right now. So like I don't want to export the base or the logo there. I just want to export all of this. So then you can go File, Export, and then export as an STL. And then make sure you have Selection Only selected. So you can hold Shift and select exactly what you want. And then you can go to wherever you want to save it and make a new folder by right-clicking, and I'm going to just name it Guy, and save it into there. Name this one Guy or something, and then export STL, and then you want to hide those, but turn on the base. Select both of them and do the same thing. Export as an STL, but name this one base, and then export as STL. Now when you go for your slicer here, you can go File, Open Files, and go to where you saved it, and you can select both of these and click Open. Now you got this. You can move this one to the side, rotate this one so it's laying on its back-ish, and you can get everything ready for 3D printing.